Today we're going to talk about words with the ending ly. And when an ending is added onto a word, we often call it a suffix. So ly is a suffix that can be added to the end of base words. When ly is added to the end of a base word, it creates a new word. So usually, when it's added to the end of an adjective, it forms an adverb. And adverbs are words that tell more about an adjective or a verb. So when it is added to a base word, the new meaning of that word means in a blank way. So let's look at this in action. Let's look at the word roughly. So we have the word roughly. Can you determine what the base word in roughly is? If you said rough, you are correct. So rough is the base word. It can stand alone by itself. Now, what about the suffix? What is the suffix in the word roughly? If you said ly, you are correct. So in the word roughly, we can break it apart into our base word and our suffix. So our base word is rough, and our suffix is ly. So let's take a look at the word roughly. When we added the suffix ly to the word rough, it became roughly. So the new meaning of roughly means in a rough way. So we've added this suffix on to the adjective of rough, and we've turned it into an adverb that explains that something was done in a rough way. So it explains more about the verb and that adjective. So let's take a look at another word. We have quickly. Can you determine the base word and the suffix of the word quickly? If you guess that the base word was quick and the suffix was ly, you are correct. So the word quickly, when we've added the suffix of ly onto the word quick, it means in a quick way. So let's try and use that in a sentence. So the frightened rabbit quickly hopped away. So the word quickly tells how the rabbit hopped away. It explains, it describes that a little bit more. So quickly means in a quick way. So continue your lesson to practice words with ending of ly.